7 tips for making your big dream into a reality. In the back of our minds, we're all hoping for the day that we can say something like, "I made it big." However, taking the chance on a big dream can be intimidating. Here are 10 tips for making it happen. 1. Say, "I know I can." Remember the story about the train which made it because it kept saying, "I think I can, I know I can"? It may seem silly, but that's about to be your new mantra. To dream big, you have to believe in yourself, and that's easier when you're your own cheerleader when necessary. Come up with your own personal motivating mantra to use when things look bleak. 2. Take it day by day. It's essential to have a clear vision of the big picture, but if you focus only on that, it can get overwhelming. Break down your tasks to small ones you can accomplish daily so that you're always chipping away at your goals. 3. Say it out loud. When you're really committed to something, you must verbalize it to gain accountability and support. Make sure to share only with those people in your life who will understand and support you. It's a good idea to find a support group of like-minded go-getters too. You'll learn from one another and gain the support and accountability to make your dream a reality. 4. Not if, but when. You're shooting for a new job, so you say, "If I get a job." Or you want to write a book, so you tell your friends, "If I ever write that book." When you catch yourself, swap that if for a when. Tell yourself that it will happen, it's just a matter of time. 5. Set aside time. How in the world will you start working on your dream if you're overbooked and have no time? Be sure to set aside time for your big goals, including the time to make a plan and track it. If you feel like you won't have the time, start paying attention to all the ways you waste time that could be used to make your dream happen. 6. Stay motivated. It's easier said than done, but one of the most important aspects of dream chasing is keeping up your motivation. Inevitably, there'll be good days and bad days. People will drag you down, and sometimes you'll get bad news about your goals. But you can't let that derail you from your dreams. Have a list of things that motivate you so you can go to it when you need it. 7. Free your mind of disappointment. You may feel let down every once in a while, but don't get too disappointed. Getting wrapped up in negativity or rejection will shift your attitude, and you won't perform your very best. Keep up the positivity.